All right, we're back with the Evo. Grandpa recording. Thank you, Grandpa. We're gonna see how fast we can go. Let's spool up.
Use 0 milliampere hours. Motor on. Battery 70%. Battery 60%. Battery 50%. Bank 2. Bank
All right,
1.
now we can land. I get your heart pumping every time. Whew. All right, we'll charge up and do it again. Okay, all right, we're back with the Evo, second flight of the video. Spool up.
0 milliampere hours. Motor on.
Sun's a little bit farther out of the way. Oh boy.
I know you're there somewhere.
That sun is fucking terrible. Head speed down. That sun is terrible.
It is.
It is in a terrible spot. All right, thank you, buddy.
Here.
All right, so there you guys go. A couple more flights on the Comet Evo. This thing is ripping. That sun is, I go right to left on my passes. That side is good. The sun right there, once you get into that corner, so I was trying to go kitty corner, but it wasn't a clean run at all. It's late in the day. There you guys go, another flight on the custom-made Comet Evo. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Take care and have a great day.